This is HH66. It's the world's most effective vinyl adhesive, which means you can use HH66 to fix a lot of things. For vinyl, this is the right glue, and that means when you use it, you get peace of mind. Of course, you have to use it right. I'm Jana with RH Adhesives. HH66 vinyl cement is easy to work with, but sometimes we still get calls from customers who are having trouble. Here are the 3 biggest mistakes we see people make in mending vinyl objects. So you've got a torn tarp or boat or inflatable, something made of vinyl, and you've got a vinyl patch to match. You've got some glue. You try to patch your vinyl tear, and the result is not great. So what's going wrong? When any glue fails, it's usually for one of 3 reasons: a problem with the material, a problem with the application, or a problem with the glue itself. That's true for any glue and any material. So let's look at how these 3 issues can apply when you mend vinyl. First, material. HH66 is vinyl cement. It interacts with PVC to form strong bonds. But sometimes you think something is PVC vinyl, and it's not. Recognize this? This is one of those cheap blue tarps some of us have lying around in our garage or shed. These tarps are made of polyethylene or nylon. They're not vinyl. HH66 won't do much good on them. But you can use it with a heavy-duty vinyl tarp, like this. Not sure if HH66 is the right glue for what you're doing? Check out rhadhesives.com for guidelines for all our products. We make adhesives for a lot of different materials, just not these cheap polyethylene tarps. The second problem people have with mending vinyl is the application. They've got the right glue, but they don't use it right. HH66 is easy to use, but people do make mistakes. Sometimes they let the glue set too long before they attach their vinyl. Sometimes they don't use enough. Problems like this can happen, but they're easy to avoid. Check out the guides and videos at rhadhesives.com to see how to use our products, and you won't have to worry about application errors. That brings me to the last reason a repair might fail: glue failure. Now look, this won't happen with HH66 because we keep tight reins on our quality control. But if you use another glue, it's possible, not commonplace, but possible, that you could get a bad batch. When that happens, all you can do is try again, hopefully with a better glue this time. One more note about glue quality. Adhesives do expire. HH66 is best used within 18 months of the date we make it. If you've got an older can, check the white sticker on top for the date of manufacture before you start your project. And if you're still having trouble, email or call us at RH Adhesives. We spend time and energy every day to make sure our customers are happy with their projects and the glue they use. Thank you for watching all these videos. I hope they've equipped you to make better vinyl repairs and help others do the same. We want to give you peace of mind by making sure you always have the right glue for the task at hand.